Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about South industry and South movies. I've already made a video about Bollywood where I have criticized its previous and upcoming movies. But even after that particular video, I can still say that Bollywood is still 100 times better than South. And even today, I think Bollywood is making good and better movies than South. So let us discuss about the problem that lies within South industry. So firstly, let us talk about the most criticized topic of Bollywood, not of South industry, which is nepotism. Now, actors like Allu Arjun, Ram Charan, Talapati, Vijay Mahesh, Babu Junior NTR, Shruti Hassan, Vijay Deverakonda, Dhanush, Naga Chaitanya, and everybody's favorite, I don't know why, Prabhas, are all nepo actors. And mostly जो भी actors का मैं नाम लिया ना, they do not even have like a film connection. Mostly they all come from a film families. Like जैसे हमारा बॉलीवुड में देर इज कपूर खानदान, वैसे ही actors and big superstars and big celebrities of South mostly comes from family families. But if we look at Bollywood, we still have actors like Ayushmann Khurrana, Rajkumar Rao, and Tipu Dimri, जो भी survive कर रहे हैं Bollywood में, and they are still relevant and they are still working. But name me a single actor from South, not from a filmy background, and is still working or still relevant or as big as actors and superstar of South industry. I don't think you can take a name. एंड आई डोंट नो कि साउथ का पीआर का कमाल है ये या फिर ऑडियंस इतनी अंधी है, क्योंकि वेरी ऑनेस्टली ऐसा वीडियो बहुत कम बनता है साउथ इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर, बिकॉज there is so much more of PR that is done by these South actors, like how they are so great, that's just because they do not speak certain languages, just because they do not wear certain clothes, just because they do not use makeup. I mean, are you seriously this dumb? एक एक्टर हो तुम मेकअप कैसे नहीं करोगे, मतलब बिकॉज यू लुक लाइक अ सर्टेन वे एंड एवरी मूवी, like obviously South movie do not have any diversity or is not versatile enough, I know. but like कितना ही funny ये चीज है कि मतलब तुम इतने different characters play कर चुके हो and in every character you look the same. Like what the hell, how or how can you convince your audience like you look those exactly same in every movie? I mean, come on. I mean, look at Kriti Sanon. कितनी अलग लग रही है वो इस कॉकटेल रूम में, एंड मिमी में कितनी अलग लगती थी वो. लाइक दिस इज व्हाई यू नीड मेकअप. दिस इज व्हाई, बिकॉज यू नीड टू ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू दैट कैरेक्टर. मतलब एंड ऑडियंस जो, अगर तुम अपने आप को साइड पर लिए तो फैन बोलते हो ना, तो तुम 5 मूवी का नाम लिख के बता दो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में विदाउट गूगलिंग, क्योंकि मैंने जितना भी मतलब फैंस देखते हैं साइड पर लिए, इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज शी डजंट वेयर दिस वेस्टर्न क्लोथ एंड शी डजंट पुट ऑन मेकअप. आई मीन दैट्स हाउ डम साउथ ऑडियंस एक्चुअली इज.
I said this basically. It was literally Manush. It was 17. It was from Gate 2. Commander. Sorry. Be into Bolivia. Oh, very good. Don't do. You have to discuss. You have to love this. So she's Manush. He's not. I think you have to. Even maybe over there. So I will this. This was answer. Because I will just was not. The person you do have to use. The biggest person. Sorry. You can use what? But you say what you social media me. You study like image. What for? No. And without that's what you I don't know what you choose. You choose one position. The next one नहीं बोला. तो मैंने ऐसा वाली कभी कंट्रोवर्सी के बारे में नहीं. मेरा क्या था? His family it came to a point where character change had happened to a point where his family had to put out an emotional letter how they got affected. So I said that you are public, you signed up for this. But when it comes to this, where your family gets involved and they are getting involved, does it affect you? You can still live with it. Does it get to you or affect you more when your family gets involved? He answered the question really well. After the interview is over, the PR comes in, he looks at the PR and said, and he said that it would be an interview I enjoy. In sarcasm. Oh, I looked at him and I'm sorry, you didn't look at the No, you need to understand that we are here to promote a movie and you didn't ask me one question about the movie. I got so ticked off. I looked at him, no sir, I did. And his manager was sitting right there. मैंने सवाल लिख के क्या था प्रिंट ना. I asked you this, didn't ask, and then didn't ask me these questions. She just pretended to say. I said, sir, I asked you 8 questions. You chose not to answer them. But it was a weird tantrum.
जबकि ऐसा
एंड लेजिट सबको ऐसे ऑडियंस पता होगा कि नैंड कितने जेन्युइन इंटरव्यूअर हैं, कितने जेन्युइनली वो लाइक इज नॉट लाइक अदर मीडिया पीपल. बट मैंने ये क्लिप सिर्फ इसलिए दिखाई बिकॉज हर एक एडिट जो भी मैंने देखा है रिसर्च पर्पज के लिए, एवरीथिंग is based on Dhanush only, like how Dhanush is such a down to earth person, like he wore this fit for this international event and everything, and the whole edit is about that only. And I think it is just a PR cover up of Dhanush because obviously like everybody knows now after this Tara and Dhanush controversy that happened before. Like everybody now knows how and what kind of person he is and what kind of behavior that he actually carries. Even if we forget about this edits and all, their ego is so fragile that like if you even criticized a movie, like if you even criticize a movie like Paddy, and if you call a bad movie bad, their ego gets triggered, and the very next day you get a legal notice or a copyright or something, or the other way the video is taken down. Like there are many reviewers जिनकी वीडियो गई है just because they spoke the truth and just because they did not take the money. I mean, that's how fragile the ego is. And Bollywood में तो हर दूसरा दिन कोई ना कोई criticize करता ही रहता है. There is no legal consequences.
साउथ में ये कास्टिंग हो रही है और आप अपना प्रोफाइल सब लीजिए। मैंने भेजा, उसने बोला तो यू विल बी रेडी टू डू एवरीथिंग। तो मैंने उसको मैसेज किया, ऑफ कोर्स आई विल बी वर्किंग हार्ड, बट दैट इज वाइफ फॉर द रोल, आई विल डू दैट। तो बार-बार बोला और उसको एंड उसने तो ऐसे लोग भी है कि मैं सोचे मैं मतलब इरिटेट हुई कि देखा कि इतना मतलब और बोलेगा कि नहीं बोलेगा। तो एक पॉइंट पे इरिटेट होके उसने मतलब छोड़ दिया। And to be very honest, जितने भी मैंने interviews देखे हैं of South actresses, there is always a mention of some bad experience and experience of casting couch, like interview में फिर call पे like why, and you speak of representing Indian culture now was भाई ऐसा Indian culture का representation हमें नहीं चाहिए. We are good. We हम अगर तुम बोलते हो ना बॉलीवुड इज वेरी वेस्टर्नाइज, वी विल वर्क विद दैट वेस्टर्नाइज्ड ओनली. वी डू नॉट वर्क दिस काइंड ऑफ कल्चर एंड एवरीथिंग. उनके मूवी से तो इट्स वेरी एविडेंट, but even off screen what they do is very cheap and very vulgar, and it just shows the narrow mindset they have, and it needs to be called out because actors जो साउथ एक्टर्स जो नेपोटिज्म के बारे में बोला है, जिन्होंने अब हर एक्ट्रेस ने कास्टिंग जॉब्स के बारे में बोला, बट ऑडियंस आर नॉट लिसनिंग बिकॉज या तो कोई डेथ नहीं हुई है बहुत ही ज्यादा शॉकिंग, इसलिए नहीं सुन रहे हो, या तो दे आर बिकॉज साउथ audience are delusional and are not even fans, they are stans. ये जो अगला टॉपिक है ना, आई मीन इस चीज के लिए भी बॉलीवुड को सबसे ज्यादा गालियां पड़ती है क्योंकि लाइक जॉनरा इज सेम, बट भाई अगर तुम साउथ की मूवी कोई भी उठा लो ना भाई, इवन पुष्पा और इवन केजीएफ फॉर दैट मैटर, भाई देयर इज जॉनरा तो छोड़ो, the plot and the story is almost same. Like for example, if you compare both of the KGF and Pushpa, though I have not watched KGF, there is a person जो पहले बहुत गरीब होता था, and that same person is very strong, and that the same person has family issues. मतलब उनकी फैमिली में बहुत लड़ाइयाँ हैं, तो सौतेला वोतेला कोई सीन है, एंड फॉर एवरी इशू एंड ऑल दे गेट इनटू दिस इलीगल सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, एंड साइड बाय साइड इनको अपनी इससे बहुत प्यार हो जाता है एक्टर से, या तो वो एक्ट्रेस इज वेरी ट्रेडिशनल एंड ओनली वेटिंग द हीरो टू कम, एंड बस जब हीरो आता है तो वो लाइन मारना चालू कर देती है. दिस इज द एंड लास्ट में क्या होता है कि नाउ इलीगल ही इज डू इलीगल बट देयर इज नो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस एंड दिस वो इवन वो पुलिस को दे प्ले डम एवरी टाइम, एंड देन लास्ट में उनकी फैमिली एक हो जाती है, हैप्पी एंडिंग. दिस इज द होल. और मतलब अगर तो फीमेल कैरेक्टर ही ले लो भाई, मुझे एक बात बताओ, वो लाइक व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ Rashmika Mandanna in Pushpa? What is the role of Janhvi Kapoor in Petty? What is the role of Alia Bhatt in RRR? Like zero. खाली वो अपने हीरो के बच्चों को जन्म देती रहती है, ओनली रोल. इवन भाई जब कोई आलिया भट्ट या फिर दिशा पटानी होगी कल्कि में, या ऐसे एक्टर जो भी मतलब दे आर प्रूवन एक्टर्स, ओके, बट स्टिल व्हाट do they have in the South movie? Just बच्चा पैदा करना हीरो का, that is the only work that they have given in the whole story. Because उनकी स्टोरी ही ऐसी है, उनकी स्टोरी में हीरो इज द ओनली पर्सन एंड इवन नॉट द विलन. समटाइम्स द विलन इज सो बोरिंग टू सी. मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आता ये लोग कल्चर के बारे में बात करते ही कैसे, लाइक what the actual audacity they have, like after portraying women in such a disgraceful and distasteful manner, even in Patty, even in every single item songs, like there's a thin line between being vulgar and being hot, okay, and you can see that particular line in the item songs of Bollywood, and that is actually very graceful.
But when it comes to South industry, there is casteism as well because जो भी तुम actors देखो या lead it is always and always white skin. By dark skin तो पूरा there is no brown skin only only white skin like whether it is Tamanna, whether it is Sai Pallavi, Nayanthara, like all of them are white skin. And I don't understand like what the actual role of a South actress in a South movie other than producing children or you know dancing to a random song with such random and vulgar choreography. But anyways, though I still have some points left, I think this video is going to be super long. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Please do like this video. It helps me a lot with my motivation and it is a thank you for watching.